Okay, 317. Let's see. Derivative 2x plus 2y plus 2x dy dx minus 6y dy dx equals 0. So dy dx equals minus 2x minus 2y over 2x minus 6y. At the point 1, 1 will be minus 4 over minus 4, which is 1. So that means the slope is minus 1. So y minus 1 equals minus 1 times x minus 1. So that's y equals minus x plus 2. Let's check the answer. 7. Yep. And then at what point does the normal line intersect the graph equation? So we just want to sub this back in. So we get x squared plus 2xy, which is minus x plus 2, minus 3y squared, which is minus x plus 2 squared equals 0. Yeah, just have to multiply it out, unfortunately. So that's minus 3x squared, and then plus 12x, minus 12, minus 2x squared, plus 4x, plus x squared equals 0. So minus 5x squared, minus 4x squared, 4x squared, 12x, 16x minus 16x, plus 12. So that's x squared minus 4x plus 3. So that's x minus 1, x minus 3 equals 0. So that's the original one. So it's going to be 3 and then minus 1. Yeah. Okay. That's 318. Find all the points on the graph on which the tangent line is vertical. So it's 3y squared dy dx minus 27 dy dx equals 2x. So we need to be vertical 3y squared to equal 27. Basically, you're dividing by 0. So that is when y is plus or minus 3. But of course, we have to get the x. So the x is, let's get out the calculator, square root, let's do the plus answer first, 3 cubed minus 27 times 3 plus 90. So that's 6. But there's a plus or minus here. So I'm not sure what to do about that just yet. And then let's just see, we put in minus 3 now. Where am I? There we go. That's plus or minus 12 and y equals 3. So I think it's 6 3 minus 6 3 12. Sorry, that first one I said. That second one is minus 3. 12 minus 3 and minus 12 minus 3, possibly 4 points. I guess to know for certain I could graph it. But I suppose if it's roughly elliptical or circular or something like this, that does make sense. Does it? Could do. Let's graph it to be sure. Okay. Let's see. Y cubed. Where is it gone? Y cubed minus 27y equals x squared minus 90. 6 tray. Guess that could be 6 tray, yeah. Minus 6 tray could be there. 12 minus 3, and then this must be minus 12 minus 3, yeah. Yeah, it looks like it checks out. Okay. 319. Find the x-intercept. Well, that's just when the y is equal to 0. So when x equals plus or minus root 7. Find the slope of the tangent lines at the x-intercept. So that's 2x plus y plus x dy dx plus 2y dy dx equals 0. So that's dy dx equals minus 2x minus y over x plus 2y. And then this is at the x-intercept, which means automatically the y is 0, so it's just going to be minus 2 regardless of what the x was actually. Interesting. Check that. Yep. Find the slope of the tangent lines at the just on that. What does the values in B indicate about the tangent lines? Well, there's that they're downwards sloping. Yeah. Do we have the answer for 319? Oh, they weren't. Yeah, they're both the same. I was just thinking of the minus 2, not that they're both the same. Yeah, so that they're parallel, the same slope. I didn't get the English here, that it was the, what did they have in common? So yeah, okay, that's funny. 320. Okay. What's the derivative of sine inverse again? Is 1 over root 1 minus x squared, I think. Actually, I can tell you right now. I'm pretty sure it's 1 over root 1 minus x squared. I shall confirm for certain. Yep. So that's going to be 1 over root 1 minus x squared plus dy dx over root 1 minus y squared equals 2x. So we sub in 0, 1. So x is 0, so that's 1. And then, oh, funny. Okay, so it's a vertical then, it looks like. Oh, sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. 0, half. That's better. Okay, so that's gone. And then the y, the x, 1 minus a half. 1 minus a half is a half. So the root 2 just goes up on the top then. So the slope would be minus 1 over root 2. I need a bit more space here. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So y will be minus root 2 over 2x plus a half. Let's check the answer. A sine x plus a sine y minus pi over 6. What is it now? Imp diff, wasn't that it? Then it's 0.5, wasn't it? Oh, root 3 over 2. Oh, 1 minus a half squared. Checked. 1 minus a half squared is 1 minus a quarter, which is 3/4, which is 2 over root 3. So that would be minus root 3 over 2. Yeah, minus root 3 over 2. So that should have been minus root 3 over 2 plus a half. Okay, I guess still plus a half. That's what I get for doing things in my head. Okay, 321. Find the equation of the tangent line to the graph that at the point that. Okay. Need to make more space here. Okay, 321. So, it's going to be 1 over x squared plus y squared. No. 1 over x plus y squared plus 1 times dy dx equals 2x. Check here. Yeah. Oh, no, actually, that's not quite right. It's the derivative of x plus y is 1 plus dy dx, so it should be like this. Equals 2x. Right, so then we have the point 0, 1. So x is 0, y is 1. So that's 1 over 1, so that's 1 over 2. 1 plus the slope equals 0. So that means the slope equals minus 1. So it's y minus 1 equals minus x. So minus x plus 1. That's what I got. Yep, great. Okay, and lastly, 322. It's going to be 2x plus 6y plus 6x dy dx minus 4y dy dx equals 0. So 2x plus 6y plus 6x dy dx minus 4y dy dx equals 0. So that means dy dx will equal minus 2x minus 6y over 6x minus 4y. Or clean that up a little bit. That's x plus 3y over 2y minus 3x. Multiplying the top and bottom by minus and dividing top and bottom by 2. Okay, so that's the y dx. A little bit trickier now is the second derivative. Let's see what we get. So d2y dx squared will be the bottom squared, the bottom times the derivative of the top, which is 1 plus 3 dy dx, minus the top, which is, okay, I'm going to run out of space. So what I'll do is use the double dash, whoops, 3x. So y double dash equals, okay, the bottom, bottom squared, the bottom 2y minus 3x times the derivative of the top, 1 plus 3y dash, minus the top, x plus 3y, times the derivative of the bottom, 2y dash minus 3. Do I need to sub in? I could sub in y dash and get an answer that only depends on x and y. So that would be 2y minus 3x squared, 2y minus 3x. Should I multiply at the top first? Maybe I should. Maybe I should. 2y plus 2y times 3, 6y, y dash. Oh, maybe I shouldn't. I'll just leave it. 2y minus 3x times 1 plus 3y dash. So that would be 3x plus 9y over 2y minus 3x minus x plus 3y over 2x plus 6y over 2y minus 3x minus 3. I guess I could clean it up a little bit. So I could get 2y minus 3x cubed. Oh, I think I see what they're doing here. And then this will be 2y minus 3x. And then 11y. Because this will be 2y minus 3x. They'll cancel. Okay. Minus x plus 3y. And then 2x minus plus 9y, 11x, I mean, and then 6y minus 6, okay, they cancel then. So that's funny. So I actually can't simplify it. I can take the 11 out, 11 over 2y minus 3x cubed, and then I'll be left with 2y squared. Then I'll be left with 2y squared, 2y by y, minus 3xy, minus x squared, and then minus 3xy, I think. So as long as I'm doing this carefully, 11, and then that will be x squared plus 6xy minus 2y squared all over 3x minus 2y cubed. Oh, I hope I didn't make a mistake there, but sadly there's no answer at the back to make sure. So I liked that the x's and y's did the thing that they did. So we'll see. If there's any problems or mistakes, let me know, please. We'll wrap it up there for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.